Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set theme on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, tap this. Here in home screen and lock screen magazine, okay, scroll down and below in personalization section, you can see here the set theme. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, here in themes, okay, there are option here. So okay, you can see the default theme and the art of simplicity theme. So this is the available theme on my Realme 5 mobile phone. So if you want more theme, okay, you can go to theme store by tap the open theme store button below to get more themes on your Realme 5 mobile phone. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set my themes. And the Realme themes is set into default theme. So you can change into Art of Simplicity theme by tap the apply button on this theme. And okay guys, okay, below, okay, you can see the apply button. And also you can see here the applicability. So you can enable or disable the lock screen, icons, or home screen wallpaper. So you can disable this by tap the check square on the right side of this lock screen. So for my example, I disable the lock screen. So I tap the square check on the lock screen. And if you uncheck this, so the lock screen is disabled on this theme. So okay guys, so to enable again the lock screen for this theme, you'll have to do is tap the box button to check this lock screen. And you'll have to do to set this theme to your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is tap the apply button. And now applying. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the theme on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.